Hey there traders, hope you guys are all doing well. So I just want you to look over this move here, this one over here, a 50 pip move, very simple trade setup. Okay, I did not take this setup over here, but I like to study moves in the market. And I just want to explain to you how how this move actually set up and how the market engineers these kinds of moves. Yesterday I took this move over here coming down, which was a 1 to 3. If I'd held it, it would have been like a 1 to 10 or something crazy, but I normally go for 1 to 3s or 1 to 4s. But besides that, okay, you can see here this beautiful signal that my system gave over there. But anyway, let's go back to this move here quickly. So with my system, with my strategy, I like to look for liquidity being taken out. You can see here we have highs over here. The market takes out these highs, generates sell side liquidity, and then collapses. My system did give us the move over there quite clearly. If we look over here, we have a major high over here. The market takes out this high on the sell side. The system gives us a signal. We confirm with the price action, and then the market drops. Let's just remove that. I didn't actually take that. That was just a setup that I was studying. Now, if we look at this setup right here, we can see that, okay, we have major buy side liquidity over here. So the market basically engineers all this liquidity. The market's constantly engineering liquidity. You can see over here, they take out all this liquidity, and it's no coincidence. This is something I also teach, to watch out for your round numbers. So you can see at 147,000, the market touches it, gives a wick rejection, a major wick rejection candle over here. The system gives us a signal. We confirm that with the next candle's price action. Okay, and then we get a beautiful 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio trade, just like that. Okay, only risking 12 or 13 pips. This over here is almost like a pin bar, although it's red. You can see there's a major wick rejection over there. A bit of a risky trade. The best scenario would have actually been to enter up here after this confirmation candle closed, but your stop would have been about 25 pips. But if an aggressive entry, you could have entered like this after this wick rejection over here, and then have your stop just below the round number. Okay, so the market, what you got to understand is the market is constantly engineering liquidity. But luckily with the system that I trade, it's a very simple system. It actually gives you signals normally when liquidity has been taken out. So you can see with those three examples, liquidity there and liquidity up here, and also liquidity to the downside. So I showed you this one earlier, all this liquidity all the way to here. It's very simple, guys. Once you understand a few basic concepts of the market, it's a very simple market to actually understand. You just have to be on the right side of it and be aware of what's going on. So if you guys are struggling with your trading and you need a system to use and you need some help with your trading, I do offer one-on-one coaching. I also offer a full program. The links are down in the comments and also in the description. Chat to me on Telegram if you want to chat to me first. If you need a bit of help and you want to discuss joining my program. But hope this little lesson helped, guys. Don't think the market is super complicated. It's actually super easy once you understand certain things. It's all shown in my program. Plus you have this simple system that gives you the signals anyway, and alongside many other things. Have a good one, guys. Cheers. Bye.